Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, you are welcome. Feel free to join this fam by subscribing to this channel. If you're already part of this fam, thank you so much for joining me again today. I really appreciate you. Just from the title of this video, you already know what I'm about to talk about. It's something that I have gone through. I have had really low moments in my life, stressed out moments. I have had friends who have gone through so much stress to a level where they actually got diagnosed with depression, and it's such a sad state. It's something that is there in the industry. People just don't talk about it a lot, but a lot of creatives, not just creatives, other people as well go through the same. I just wanted to share with you guys on some of the things that I have done that have worked for me, some things that have actually made me feel way better after. One of the things that I normally do whenever I feel low is read mantras, daily affirmation quotes, and internalize them. Let me just read some of my favorite, or some that I have on my phone right now. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. Keep yourself occupied, keep your mind off things that don't help you, and think positively. Another one is believe in your heart that you are meant to live a life full of passion, purpose, magic, and miracles. Imagine reading something like this when you're feeling low and just internalizing that. It kind of just changes everything in you. So yeah, I would actually recommend that you get to read daily mantras, daily affirmation quotes, write them down, internalize them. The second thing that I learned to do is not to take criticism to heart. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. You know why you did what you did, you know why you said what you said, you know why you put out whatever you put out, and just look at the positive side of it. Sometimes you do make mistakes, so if you did something and you actually saw that yes, there is a mistake in this, then learn from that mistake and move on from there. After all, we only become better by learning from our mistakes and not just ignoring them. Celebrate and capitalize on your small wins. Sometimes we want to just celebrate when it's a really big thing, Always try and capitalize on those small wins. Make them look as massive as they can get, because it is still a win. No matter how small a win is a win. This next thing is one of the things that I actually always tell people whenever they feel like they're just having too much on their mind or they feel stressed out to do, and that is take a walk. Change your scenery. Go out there, walk, get some fresh air in your lungs. Look at some trees, just do something. Sometimes I even go to Arboretum. I just chuck from the house, go to the park and just chill. And there's something about it, like there's some sort of tranquility that comes with that. It just makes you feel way better. So yes, whenever you're feeling low, do that. Get out of the house. Get out of what you're used to. Go somewhere else. Go take a walk. Even go to the market, for heaven's sake. Just go. This next point is interesting because I realized that it actually worked on me and it was sticking to my schedules. So the thing about feeling stressed out sometimes is that sometimes you don't want to get out of bed. Sometimes you don't want to even make your bed. You don't want to wash the dishes. You just want to be. And whenever I started feeling low, I would actually force myself to wake up, make my bed, clean the house, keep myself busy, like stick to my normal schedule. By doing that, it made me feel like, you know what, I'm ready for whatever comes my way. I am ready to tackle anything that comes my way. I am so ready. Sometimes we get overwhelmed with work, and with that comes a lot of stress and pressure. I get this sometimes. One of the things that I learned to do during such moments was to delegate low impact tasks, especially if you are stressed out because of work. It's good to let someone else take over some things instead of doing everything yourself. I am a perfectionist. I love to make sure everything is like that. whenever I am doing a certain job. So sometimes delegating is a bit hard for me. Even if I'm working with other people, I'll be like, I just want to be sure it's 100. I want to be sure it's 100. And that might actually stress you out if you are like me. I learned to trust people with some things. It reduces the burden in a very, very big way. The stress level goes down, and I would actually recommend that you do that, especially if you get stressed out a lot with work. The next thing I would recommend is exercise. If you are a person who loves to do that, like go hard on that. If you're not used to doing that, go out for a walk, a jog, swim, do something. Aim low. It seems really weird, but yeah, aim low. Set easy goals, because when you attain your goal, it always feels way better. It makes you feel way better about yourself. So start with easy goals, attain them, celebrate those wins, go to the next one. Keep off social media for a bit. Sometimes I feel like social media is a very big distraction. People tend to compare themselves with others. People show what they want you to see, They might be going through so much behind the scenes, but you're just seeing a small percentage of their life. Give yourself some time to work on yourself. Read motivational books. Listen to motivational speakers. There's so many amazing motivational podcasts. Just avoid distractions, and social media is one of the distractions that you need to avoid, especially if you are the kind of person that compares yourself with other people. Last but not least, talk to someone. It is important to talk to someone. If you're feeling you are too stressed or depressed, talk to someone. Sometimes people get suicidal thoughts out of just being in their own cocoon. You start thinking of crazy things, how you're not worth living. No, please just talk to someone. If you have a close friend, call them up. Just tell them, I would love to talk to you. Can we meet up for coffee or something? Or can you come to my house? Or you can actually go to the house just for a change of scenery and talk to them. It just feels amazing talking to someone, sharing what you're going through with someone. It makes you feel like there's some burden that has been lifted off your shoulder. So get someone and talk to someone. That is it for me. I hope you get something from this. I just had to make this video because I have gone through that. I've had friends who have gone through that, and so I feel like there should be a conversation about this. Anyway, if you have gone through this, what have you done to feel better, to lift your spirit, to shift you from that zone to a better level? Share with me. I'd love to know. So that is it for me, and until the next one, peace, love and makeup.